2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 51,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!